Alright guys, today is a good day. I'm pretty sure you guys probably know what's happening. The Beamer is not here. Got my friend's G over here. Sheesh, with a Brembo brakes. A lot of things are to come with this G. This is another project that he's working on. So if you guys want to see a G on the channel, let me know. We're gonna do a lot of things to this G. But I'm sure you guys already know what's gonna happen. The BMW is not here. Send it to the shop and it's finally ready to be picked up. I am a little bit nervous at the same time, but also at the same time, I don't know, like a little bit scared. I don't know why. Ooh, look how clean the interior is. What year is this again?
04.
04. He got it for only 3,500, right?
3,500.
3,500. Drives perfectly. Sheesh. Sir, just arrived. 335i. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Shout out to the boy Chance. Yes sir. He does everything. Beamers, engine swaps, crank hubs.
Yes sir.
Whatever you need, hit him up.
On both sides or just one side?
Yeah, I'll just take it on one side. Yeah, right there. Right here is good. That's perfect right there. That's sick. 2 months without the car. Needs a wash for real. From stock to like that, bro, is so different, bro. Yeah, bro. Lowering the car definitely makes like a huge difference. See how high this fitment is, but look at this. Definitely need front lip, side skirts, beefy tire setup. Finally, oh, hit the camera a little bit. Oh, finally got the car back after a long time. Oh my goodness. Follow me. Finally get to drive the car now. Oh my god, I forgot how to drive the manual. Sheesh. First driving the BMW. Oh my goodness. Dude, this thing sounds beautiful, bro.
The next day.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful morning. Right now it's about probably like 7 a.m. Alright guys, I just want to say a huge thank you to Vivo for sending me out this amazing dash cam. I got the dual setup, which means it records from the front and the back as well. This dash cam is perfect for someone who wants to capture cool clips or just for their own safety. The A229 Plus captures up to 2K resolution and 30 FPS. Once again, thank you guys for sending this out to me. Stay tuned for the next video as I will be using this in my tollgate rides. Alright, so it's about 6:43. We're about to take the BMW to San Clemente for the car meet. And it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a great cruise. Got a lot of homie pulling up. This is the first meet I have been to in a long time. So I haven't been into a car meet for probably about like a month or two now. Oh my. Alright guys, I also haven't driven this car in a long ass time. Probably like I'll probably say like I haven't driven this car in like 2 months, but man, it's such a good feeling. Just getting the car back, finally driving it, cruising, and this is my first time cruising in a long time as well. If you guys looked at my video, I haven't uploaded in 30 days, so I am super sorry about that, you guys. There's just so much going on in the past few days. Also, my school, college is just no joke. Okay, wait, he just got this car or what? Oh shit. Bro got the Japanese logo. Oh shit. 3.7. Sheesh, Q40. Oh shit, it's the older one.
The phone setup.
Oh my god. Swimming phone setup.
It's a Q40?
Q40, 3.7. It's a big boy right here. Alright. Now the homies finally pulled up. We got my boy Alex fam. Hit him up for raps. On the cheap, on the low. We got my boy Darius. New car review? Oh my god. Bro went from Integra to N235i. What's good, my boy?
What's up?
You just woke up or what?
No, bro. I'm trying to do like 3 things at once.
Bro. Oh my goodness. Hey, shout out to my boy Darius. He really made it for N55.
Bro, M240 I just won, bro.
Hey, you want to sit in it? Wait, Darius, can he sit in there real quick?
Yeah?
Jack, sit. No, hop in the driver's seat, yeah. Sheesh, got the M calipers as well. Dude, I'm telling you guys, when he pulled up to my house to surprise me off camera, when I drove it, dude, it sounds crazy. Really did it? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Crazy because I don't have a downpipe yet.
But I got the whole squad here. Got the Hellcat swap Honda Odyssey.
That's burbled?
Yeah, bro, this shit has stock burbos. Oh shit, he just installed his intake. Wait, you have one intake?
Yeah.
That shit's beautiful, bro.
That shit is nice.
Oh my god. Does everything for you, kind of. Look at Jet, bro.
Dude, this shit looks fucking mean.
Look how wide his rims is. Yeah, I like that. Me too. Oh, Jed in a different universe. Is he gonna swim or what? Why is he going toll lanes? Look.
It is on his case.
He's on everyone's ass, bro. Cop. Right there. Oh boy, right there. Boy, right there, yeah. Not today, bud. Alright, you guys, just pulled up a lot of cars. That's why with these meets, they're never like a hit or a miss. It's always good, it's always packed. You're always gonna see some cool people, cool cars. And there's a line too, always a line. Oh, look at that Lambo, is that an STO? Oh my goodness. Got a Aventador. Shit's beautiful. Oh my god, we got an RS6. Ooh. Dude, this is my dream car, bro. This is like probably like my dream car. Oh my goodness, I want to see the interior, dude. This is just so beautiful. Hey, this reminds me of that one song. Da, 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 you know what I'm talking about? We got some stance car going. Oh, look at him. Yo, and a Tesla. A little Tesla. Dang, look how big the brake calipers are. I'm not gonna lie, the M2 front bumper is like, I'm not gonna lie, with some agile, with some lips, front lip, and some aero, bro. I think the M2 front bumper is by far probably the best looking front end in BMW history, for sure. E92 M3. Sheesh.
Hey, let me text me.
Got the dog. Oh, that's so cute, bro. Don't lie, I should have got a hoodie.
I told you.
No hoodie. I was like, you know what? I was feeling hot, and I just put the hoodie back.
What did I tell you?
Man, it's kind of cold now. I need the sun, bro. Jack, we're not even in the main event right now. How do you feel so far?
Bro, this is beautiful.
You feel
I've never seen anything like it.
Yes, bro.
Everywhere you go to meet? Never, bro.
Yeah, he just got into the car scene, bro. He just learned how to drive a manual.
Everywhere you go, beautiful cars.
Yeah,
no matter where you look anywhere, beautiful car.
Beautiful cars. I mean, the other one he went was the midnight one. That was in my video too. The midnight one, that was pretty nice.
Because you have every type of car you can want.
Daytime's better though.
Oh yeah.
You got.
All right. Getting to the main event here.
Main event of the evening, bro.
Event of the
and we got
in the morning of the morning and the UFC fight.
We don't look like party, like finding friends, like
It says it right there.
Sheesh. A90 Super. That's the wide body.
Look at this one.
This is beautiful.
Molded.
Oh, this is molded. I like molded so much better, bro. Dude, the molded one looks so good. I didn't even see that. Bro, the steering wheel. That's the type of steering wheel I want for the F80, bro. I like those steering wheel. Oh yeah, him too. Oh my goodness, on bags. Yeah, they're on bags. Look, it's molded wide body. Oh. Oh, BBSs. I don't know what type of BBSs, but oh my goodness. Dang, look at that big ass intake, bro. What the fuck? That's an intake. That boy's getting pure air. Oh look, he has the F80 seats in there. He has the F80 seats.
Oh shit.
That's cool as fuck. Oh my god.
They put the car.
That's beautiful. M6. Bro. That shit looks crazy. This shit looks like Pack-a-Punch. Bro, I'm here mainly for the F80s. I'm not gonna lie. But I saw the F80. Oh my goodness, bro. I love the wing. Dude. Bro. This is a masterpiece, bro. This is my style. Oh my goodness. Bro, I fuck with the wing. I'ma get the wing, bro. I'ma get the wing. Look at the fitment. This is the exact fitment I want, bro. I'ma get the wing. My goodness. Yo. No shifter? Oh, the shifter's right there. That's weird. Nah.
Some beefy ass seats.
But I like these seats though. The back. Imagine the M5 CS, bro. Do they still have the bucket seats in the newer ones? Yeah, bro. I like the steering wheel. I like the front end a lot. This should light up too. I love the front end more than the back.
I like this.
You like that? You don't like that?
I don't like
I love the light in the front, the nose. Oh shoot, it's DDE. Yo, I'm about to be on his vlog. He's gonna be on my vlog too. Yo, yes, bro. Best sounding car of all time. Oh my. Dude, the interior is such a throwback, bro. It's so nostalgic. It kind of remind me of like those 2D players, you know, those like those cassette players who are leaving. Oh my goodness. The interiors are yeah, it's like a throwback, huh? Like nostalgic. The seats too. Bro, I want to hear it so bad.
No, I want him to rev. That's what?
SVJ, oh my goodness. This looks like a transformer.
It's the loudest.
The interiors.
Or like the best sounding.
The best sounding exhaust. Wow. Oh, this is a Batmobile right here. I don't know which one's a Batmobile. That one or this one? Hey, which one do you think is more of a Batmobile? This one or that one? This Batmobile? Not that one?
Yeah.
This Batmobile, okay. You think that's Batmobile?
No, the SVJ, bro, 100%.
Black.
Batmobile, do you think that's
SVJ
Batmobile?
is 100%. If they made the red black,
Yes,
that's a Batmobile.
that's
Batmobile.
Even with the red. That shit's blood, bro.
Aura. Mr. Aura. Oh.
Beautiful cars, beautiful dogs, bro.
Beautiful dogs. What?
That's like.
Now, yeah, look at the van though. I'm sure my dad will love this. This is my dad will love, huh? Yeah, me neither. That looks nice. Look at the wheels, the rims. I want to see this. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Well maintained. Nice lights too. Wow, good paint. This is beautiful. Imagine taking a road trip to like some forest area with this. Dude, that'll be so calm. Ooh. Yeah, all of these are manual.
I wonder how heavy the clutch is.
Yeah. I don't know. Excuse me. Sorry. C6 on some Workmeisters. Oh my, this is the build. I do want a C6 as well, but if this is, I will build it just like this. This is beautiful. Look how long it is. Oh my. Oh, sorry. Wow, for sale too?
Thunderbird anyway.
1969. I don't even know what this is. This is an old Supra?
Yeah.
Dude, I've never seen an old Supra before. Never. Wow. Sorry. Jeez, and it's gutted. Oh my goodness, pure throwback. It's like Japanese throwback right there. Oh my. Turbo, Toyota Supra, yeah, dang, 870. C6 and a Viper, oh my. Sheesh. From Utah.
Look, I mean the CTSV.
Look at this. Oh my, but look at that. That's like a what? Like a 10-seater. That's a 12-seater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's a 6-seater.
It's a bone.
It is rotary. It's beautiful. MC20. That's what it's called. Ooh. Carbon.